This is my makeshift test board. It's pretty easy to make. Just use stuff that I had laying around the house, scraps and whatnot, and I was able to make a test board for my ozone generator kits. It's a quick and easy way to make. Took me 10 minutes. Longest part would be waiting for the epoxy to dry. And I need a base, some sort of base, could be a plank, and a smaller piece of plastic or wood. I had the scrap laying around, so I just used this, and I just used a Dremel, and I just cut the insert of the ceramic plate housing and use epoxy to keep it in place. Then I soldered on my jumpers, and next to the jumpers I soldered on some alligator clips for a quick and easy connection of the high voltage wires with the transformer. And of course, just use a couple pieces of screws, a screw and a couple pieces of bolts, and there's your AC fan and the test transformer, wing nuts, old power cord, extension cord. I'm using a power strip that has a switch and it's connected to a power meter, and pretty much all you do is just turn it on. And that's it. That's how you make a test board.